if your Bluetooth connection here or your Bluetooth speaker is not giving you any sound when you connect this on your mobile device, well, there are a few things that you could try doing here to solve this problem. Now, first thing that you may want to do here is you want to guarantee that the volume on your speaker, either on your speaker or in your phone, is quite high enough. Now, if it's low, it you might not hear anything, so just press the volume buttons on the sides of your phone here and just make sure it has some volume here. So once you have this turned up, you can just play any song on YouTube and see if that solves the issue. But if not, there are other things that you could try doing here. Like, for example, if your phone has been running for a number of days and you haven't restarted it manually, well, this will cause problems or software issues inside your phone. So it is highly recommended that you restart your phone if you start having any issues. So you either want to press and hold the volume button on your phone or the volume up and power button together to basically reboot your device or power it off. Now, if you power it off, just wait for a few seconds, like 10 seconds, and just power it on again and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to do or repeat the pairing process. Now, there might be some glitches on the pairing process, that's why it's not connecting properly. So you want to open up settings here, you want to go to Bluetooth, and you want to look at your device here. Like, for example, I have this speaker here, you can just press or hold on it. You can go and just press on it, and it will start, or it would try to refresh the connection itself. But just in case, again, it's not working, go and click on the arrow next to it. Click on unpair, basically unpairing it from your device. Now, what you need to do is want to go and turn off your Bluetooth here, wait for a few seconds, turn it back on again, and just wait for it to scan for your Bluetooth device, and just click or press on the Bluetooth device again and see if that helps. Now, again, if this doesn't help, you may want to unpair it again, then restart your speaker and try pairing it again and see if that helps. Now, if none of this solves the issue, the problem itself might be the actual speaker. So try connecting your speaker to another device, like another phone, and see if it does the same thing. But if you still don't hear anything from it, maybe it's time to maybe check with a technician, someone that can help you with fixing this one, or maybe even contact their support representative on which brand you bought your speaker and see what are your options. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.